Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Halal training and coaching program. We ask Almighty Allah to assist us and bless our effort. This is the third video in our new series, Halal Done With You. If you are new to the channel or you are new to the series, I enjoy you to go to the description of this video to watch video 1 and video 3 before watching this video, so that you understand what we are doing and try to catch up with the class and with the series. Subscribe if you are here to subscribe to the channel, and like, comment and share the video to your loved ones. The first thing I'm going to talk about in this particular video is marketing. Marketing refers to the process of promoting and selling products or services, and it can be done through various channels. Types of marketing we have. So we have inbound and outbound marketing. As for inbound marketing, this involves creating valuable content that attract potential clients or customers to your business. For example, on YouTube, if somebody is teaching how to design a website on YouTube, we are just showing different ways to design websites, and we are designing different kind of websites. That is inbound. You are doing inbound marketing. What does that mean? Somebody who is interested in designing a website, the person just contacts you that I saw that in design website. Can you design this kind of website for me? So you are getting inbound client. Another one is blogging. If you are writing about a particular topic, maybe you are writing about how to cure cancer from home using apps, and you are writing so many things on it. If somebody is reading your blog, the person might be interested in that, and if the person needs help in curing cancer, maybe for himself or another person, the person can contact you directly that I see that you are very good in curing cancer with apps, and you assist us in doing this. Doing this kind of thing is called inbound marketing. You are not going to people to advertise your market. You are only showing that you actually know this thing and do it perfectly. With that, people are going to contact you so that they can give you jobs. The second kind of marketing is outbound marketing. This, you are not creating any content for people to see. You are actually reaching out to them. This involves reaching out to potential customers and interrupting their daily routine with your own message, as in pitching your message to them. It is also called cold pitching. It could be done using cold emails, cold DMing, as in on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on, or cold calling, by calling them. We call it cold because you don't know these people before, and those people too don't know you. You contacted them to pitch a message to them is called cold pitching. This is outbound marketing. I want to give you a recap of what we mentioned in our last video. We said normally in any agency, we have appointment setters, we have sales closers, and we have service delivery team, and also we have administrative team. So in this our own case right now, you are the appointment setters, and we are going to be claiming 45% instead of the 15% that the normal appointment setters will get. But since this is your own company, the business is for you, so you are going to claim 45%, while we are going to get closers for you, we are going to get 50% of the sales, while the service delivery get 20%. So we are going to be the administrative team right now for you, so we are going to get 20%. So we are going to be doing everything you should be doing as administrative team. So now you are the appointment setters, and what you want to do, what you want to learn, this our training is that we are going to teach you the appointment setting, the work of the appointment setting, and how the company runs. What is appointment setting? We said this is the process of getting customer to book a meeting or call with us to discuss how we can help them get more customers or make more profits or do a particular service. That is appointment setting. So with that and what I've explained under marketing, you should know that there is inbound appointment setting. So what is inbound appointment setting? This is usually for big influencers or course creators or gym owners on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and so on, that they have maybe 100,000 followers or even 1 million followers. They are going to engage the appointment setters in their business. So when anybody comments on their post or like their post, or anybody starts to follow them, the appointment setters are going to message those people. I saw that you are following me, you started to follow me. So what are you interested in? What do you want to achieve? If the course creator is somebody that teach people how to make money through real estate, the appointment setters are going to say something like, are you interested in making money through real estate? So if you are interested in this, I can actually guide you. So you can book a call with us, something like that. So the appointment setters are going to be messaging those people who started to follow them, the people who are liking their comments, the people who are following them, the people who are commenting on their post. So with that, they are going to book the appointment, book the call. Then the sales closer will jump on the call with those people and try to close them. So doing this is called what? Inbound appointment setting. As for the outbound appointment setting, this involves proactively reaching out to potential clients, customers, to book them into the calendar, to get them to book the call with us. This can be done through cold emails, as I've mentioned. You can send cold emails to them, or cold DMs, or cold calling. So we're going to explain this later. So I want to talk about volume and personalization. Volume is the number of people you contact per day. So if you are contacting maybe 50 people per day, that is the volume you are doing. Some people are contacting 100 people per day. Some people are doing 1,000. Some people are doing 5,000. So that is the volume. As for personalization, personalization is mentioning something that shows you know the customer personally. Say, for example, if you send this message to a fitness coach, say, I am Biodun from Viral Trend. We help coaches dominate YouTube to build authority and generate more sales using a special method and strategy. Is this something you are interested in? Look at this message now. This is a code. You can send this one as code email or as code DM. So if you send this one to someone, you know you are not mentioning the person's name. And from this message now, you are not mentioning something that is connected to the person, that shows that you actually know the person very well. So, and this message too can be sent to any coach. This message can be sent to any coach. So this is when you are not doing personalization very well. There's something like you are not personalizing anything in this particular message. So compare that with this. Hi, Edge. Congratulations for hitting 30K followers on your Instagram. And I really love your post about engaging our children in our businesses. This is a true advice. I am Biodun from Viral Trend. We help fitness coaches dominate YouTube to build authority and generate more sales using a special method and strategy. Is this something you're interested in? Look at this particular one. I've mentioned the person's name. I also mentioned something that is peculiar to the person, that if I actually don't know the person, I won't be mentioning anything, and it's not possible. And that is that what? The person just hits 30K followers on Instagram. And I actually mentioned something again that has to do with the person, and that is that we shared a post on Instagram or on social media that people should be engaging their children in their businesses. And I also congratulate the person. So all these things actually show that I actually know the person very well, and I've been following the person on Instagram or on social media for a long time. And I said, I'm Biodun from Viral Trend. We help fitness coaches. You can see, I'm mentioning that we help fitness coaches because I know this person is a fitness coach. So that's another personalization there. So sending this kind of message to people is going to get people to respond more. So you are going to get people who are going to respond more to you and who will be willing to do business with you. But the truth is, if you personalize, you can see that it takes like 10 to 15 minutes to research about the person and send a personalized message. And if you want to be doing a lot of volume, which is the best, so it's going to take you, you can see, you might need up to 5 or even 10 hours per day in order to send very personalized message. That is why, how do you deal with volume and personalization? So we are going to be discussing that when we get to the code emailing and code DM, when we get to the training on that. So, because we have to be sending personalized message, but if we have to personalize very well, it might take us 10, 50 or even 20 minutes in order to research about this particular person to get something you can use to personalize the message to them. But when we are just sending general message, you can send it even to 1,000 people. And it's going to be very easier for us in order to do that. So thank you. I want you to like this video, subscribe, comment, and share this video to your loved ones. May Almighty Allah assist us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.